Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. Great lid, keep in mind, brand specific. This is a well-machined and constructed lid for 1/2 pan. Be aware, this is for Winco metal 1/2 pans only. While the standardization of modular steam table pan dimensions are consistent, different manufacturers may produce their pans with varying dimensions and contours of the steel when it comes to the borders, edges surrounding the body of the vessel, and of course, this is not going to fit cold storage, plastic, half pans. To that end, this panel it fits the Winco half pan perfectly but might not fit another manufacturer's satisfactorily or stably. If you are shopping within this commercial company's products, this is your best option for fit, price, and durability.